हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। माय नेम इज़ दीपाली। मैं हूँ आपकी योगा इंस्ट्रक्टर। आज के इस वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं 15 मिनट्स ऑफ प्राणायाम, जो आप आपकी योगा प्रैक्टिस के पहले या फिर आपके प्रैक्टिस के बाद कर सकते हैं। यूजुअली हम प्राणायाम खाली पेट करते हैं। अगर आपने खाना खाया हुआ है तो 2 से 3 घंटे के बाद आप प्राणायाम की प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। सो वियर समथिंग कम्फी एंड लेट्स हॉप इनटू योर मैट। सबसे पहले सिट इन एनी कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन। मैं यहाँ पे सिद्धासन में बैठ रही हूँ। यू कैन सिट इन एनी कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन, सुखासन, पद्मासन, अर्ध पद्मासन, विच एवर वे यू लाइक। कीप योर बैक स्ट्रेट। दोनों हाथों की ज्ञान मुद्रा करनी है एंड बी देयर फॉर फ्यू मोर ब्रेथ्स। टेक अ लॉन्ग डीप इनहेल and exhale. Let go of any worry, any tension, any other thought that might hold you back from this practice. Gently deep inhale and exhale. Focus on your body, focus on yourself. Now get ready for the Kapalbhati Pranayam. कपालभाति के हम 20-20 स्ट्रोक के 2 राउंड्स करेंगे। कपालभाति में एक्टिव एक्सहेलेशन और पैसिव इनहेलेशन होता है। टेक अ लॉन्ग डीप इनहेल एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट टुगेदर। And relax. Again, take a long deep inhale and let's start together. And relax. Observe your breathing. Put a nice smile on your face throughout the practice. Relax your forehead. Now let's start our second pranayam, Bhastrika Pranayam. Now in this pranayam, inhale and lift your both hands up and exhale forcefully like this. So in this pranayam, we are going to exhale and inhale both passively. Let's start together. Inhale. And relax your hands on your knees. Normal deep inhale. Exhale. We are going to do second round of Bhastrika Pranayam. Again 10 counts. Inhale and let's start. And relax. Observe your chest, the breathing pace. Observe the heat in your body. Try to normalize your breath. गहरी लंबी सांस लेनी है और गहरी लंबी सांस छोड़ेंगे. Let's get ready for the third pranayam practice, which is Anulom Vilom. So take your right hand, make your hand mudra. We are going to start with the left nostril. So close your right nostril first. Inhale with the left. And let's start. Take long breath as much as you can. With each side of the nostril. Exhale through left nostril. Complete your 5 rounds and relax. We are going to do second round of Anulom Vilom, again with feet. We are going to do one more round of Kapalbhati Pranayam, again for the 5 circle. So inhale. One more round. Exhale through left nostril. Complete your iteration and relax. Again, try to observe your breath, the pace of your breathing. Relax your chest, forehead. Try to concentrate on your breathing. Let's get prepared for the next pranayam, which is Bhramari Pranayam. Now use your both hands, close your eyes, use your thumb, close your ears. Inhale and start Bhramari Pranayam for the 5 counts. Relax your both hands. Observe the vibrations from the Brahmari Pranayam in your chest, in your forehead, in between your eyebrows. Deep in, deep breathe out. Now for the last pranayam practice, we are going to do Shitali Pranayam. Inhale through your mouth and exhale through your nose. We are going to do 10 rounds of Shitali Pranayam. So let's get started. And relax. Feel the coolness in your body, in your mouth. Relax your body completely. Again, focus on the breathing. We are going to end this pranayam practice with 3 Omkar. Take a long deep inhale. Let's start together. Rub your palms, generate the hit, and gently open your eyes. and relax. So that's it for today's yoga practice. I hope you like this pranayama session. You can do it after your practice or before your practice. So whichever way you like. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.